Rene Descartes, a 17th-century French philosopher and mathematician, stands as a towering figure in the history of Western thought. Born in 1596, he lived during a period of immense intellectual upheaval. Descartes, with his relentless pursuit of truth and his groundbreaking philosophical system, became a key architect of the scientific revolution and the father of modern philosophy. Descartes' impact stemmed from his unwavering commitment to reason as the foundation of knowledge. He believed that by using our minds logically and systematically, we could unravel the mysteries of the universe. Descartes' philosophical journey began with a simple question: what can I know with absolute certainty? This question struck at the heart of philosophy. Descartes realized much of our knowledge is based on assumptions and unreliable sensory experiences. To build true knowledge, he believed in doubting everything. This doubt was a means to find unshakable certainty. Like a sculptor, he removed the non-essential to reveal undeniable truth. By questioning everything, Descartes aimed to free us from preconceived notions and dogma. Descartes' method of doubt led him to his most famous philosophical insight, encapsulated in the Latin phrase cogito ergo sum, I think, therefore I am. This statement, deceptively simple in its wording, represents a profound philosophical breakthrough. Descartes realized that even if he doubted everything else, even the existence of the external world, his own existence as a thinking being was undeniable. The act of doubting, Descartes argued, requires a doubter, a thinking subject. To doubt is to think, and to think is to exist. This realization, that the very act of thinking confirms our existence, became the cornerstone of Descartes' philosophy. It provided him with the certainty he had been seeking, a truth that could not be doubted because it was self-evident. The cogito was not merely a philosophical exercise for Descartes. It had profound implications for his understanding of the nature of reality and the relationship between mind and body. It established the mind, the thinking I, as the foundation of knowledge and the starting point for understanding the world. One of Descartes' most enduring contributions to philosophy is his theory of Cartesian dualism. This theory posits a fundamental division between two distinct substances, mind and matter. The mind, according to Descartes, is immaterial, unextended, and characterized by thought. The body, on the other hand, is material, extended, and subject to the laws of physics. This division between mind and body arose from Descartes' cogito. If the mind, the thinking I, is the only thing we can know with certainty, then it follows that the mind must be distinct from the body, which is part of the external world, and therefore subject to doubt. This dualistic view had a profound impact on Western thought, shaping our understanding of the self and the relationship between the mind and the body. Descartes' dualism, however, also presented a significant challenge. How do these two distinct substances, the mind and the body, interact? If the mind is immaterial and the body is material, how can one influence the other? This question, known as the mind-body problem, has continued to occupy philosophers for centuries after Descartes. Section 5. The universe as a machine. Descartes' influence extended far beyond the realm of philosophy. His mechanistic view of the universe, inspired by his mathematical background, had a profound impact on the development of modern science. Descartes believed that the physical world operates according to fixed laws, like a complex machine, and that these laws can be understood through mathematical principles. This mechanistic view of nature was a radical departure from the Aristotelian view that had dominated Western thought for centuries. Aristotle believed that the natural world was driven by inherent purposes, and that objects moved towards their natural place in the cosmos. Descartes, in contrast, saw the universe as a giant clockwork mechanism set in motion by God, but governed by predictable laws. This mechanistic view of the universe had a profound impact on the development of physics, astronomy, and other scientific disciplines. It paved the way for Isaac Newton's laws of motion, which provided a mathematical framework for understanding the physical world, and it inspired scientists to seek explanations for natural phenomena in terms of physical laws rather than supernatural causes. Section 6. Beyond the Mind. Descartes' Scientific Pursuits. Descartes was a gifted mathematician and scientist. He made significant contributions to geometry, algebra, and optics, laying the foundation for analytic geometry. His mathematical insights were invaluable for his philosophical inquiries, and he advanced the understanding of light and vision. He developed a theory of the rainbow through refraction and reflection. Descartes applied mathematical principles to the natural world, integrating his scientific pursuits with his philosophical project. Section 7. A Legacy of Reason. Descartes' legacy as the father of modern philosophy rests on his unwavering commitment to reason as the foundation of knowledge. He challenged traditional ways of thinking, urging his contemporaries to question authority and to rely on their own powers of reasoning. His method of doubt, while initially unsettling, provided a powerful tool for challenging dogma and for arriving at a more secure and certain understanding of the world. Descartes' emphasis on reason had a profound impact on the Enlightenment, a period of intellectual ferment in the 18th century that emphasized reason, individualism, and human progress. Enlightenment thinkers, inspired by Descartes' ideas, challenged absolute monarchy, advocated for religious tolerance, and sought to apply reason to all aspects of human life. Descartes' influence on Western thought is undeniable. His ideas continue to be debated and discussed in philosophy classrooms and academic journals around the world. His emphasis on reason, his systematic approach to philosophical inquiry, and his groundbreaking ideas about the nature of mind, body, and the universe have left an enduring mark on our intellectual landscape. Section 8. The Enduring Influence of Cartesian Thought. Descartes' legacy extends far beyond the confines of academic philosophy. His ideas have seeped into popular culture, shaping our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. His famous phrase, "I think, therefore I am," has become a ubiquitous part of our intellectual lexicon, a shorthand for the power of human reason and the importance of critical thinking. Descartes' influence can be seen in various fields, from psychology to artificial intelligence. His theory of mind-body dualism, while controversial, continues to shape our understanding of the relationship between the mind and the brain. His mechanistic view of the universe has influenced the development of computer science and artificial intelligence, fields that seek to understand and replicate the workings of the human mind. Descartes' ideas, while centuries old, continue to resonate in the modern world. His emphasis on reason, his systematic approach to problem solving, and his unwavering belief in the power of the human mind remain as relevant today as they were in his own time. Section 9. Descartes in the Modern World. In today's world, dominated by technology and scientific advancements, Descartes' ideas seem particularly prescient. His emphasis on mathematics and his mechanistic view of the universe have paved the way for the digital age, an era in which computers and algorithms play an increasingly central role in our lives. Descartes' work also raises important questions about the nature of consciousness and the ethics of artificial intelligence. As we develop increasingly sophisticated machines that can learn, reason, and even mimic human emotions, Descartes' ideas about the distinction between mind and matter take on a new urgency. Descartes' legacy, therefore, is not merely a matter of historical interest. His ideas continue to challenge us, to provoke debate, and to shape our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, Descartes' emphasis on reason, his spirit of inquiry, and his unwavering belief in the power of the human mind remain as vital and inspiring as ever. Section 10. A Timeless Legacy. Rene Descartes' journey began with doubt, a profound skepticism that ultimately led him to a bedrock of certainty. His cogito, a beacon of rational thought, illuminated the landscape of philosophy and ignited the scientific revolution. His legacy, though not without its controversies, has left an indelible mark on Western thought, shaping our understanding of the mind, the body, and the universe we inhabit. As we grapple with the complexities of the 21st century, facing new frontiers in science, technology, and the very understanding of consciousness, Descartes' ideas serve as a timely reminder of the power of reason, the importance of critical thinking, and the enduring quest to unravel the mysteries of existence. His voice, echoing through the centuries, continues to inspire us to question, to explore, and to seek truth in a universe brimming with wonder and possibility.